In this video presentation I show two manual assembly nests with Poka yoke limit switches and sensors. I had to design and build these nests for low budget project, and the estimated annual volume was too low for a fully automated assembly machine with PLC. These are the issues we had to resolve during the project launch. Retainer clips were inserted in the part from the wrong side, some retainer clips were not pushed all the way in holes, and some parts were shipped to the customer plants missing clips. The nest does not allow the operator to insert clips from the wrong side of the part, and the limit switches ensured clips are pushed in holes as required. If parts were assembled correctly, lights turns on and an alert sound tells the operator to remove the part from the nest. If parts were missing a retainer clip or a clip was not pushed all the way in the hole, the assembly tool did not allow the operator to remove the part from the nest.